Hi guys, this is going to be a Jimmy Choo haul. Jimmy Choo, Jimmy Choo, Jimmy Choo, Choo, Choo shoes. And I've got accessories as well. Let's just get right into it. So in this very huge and beautiful bag, I have a box of Jimmy Choo shoes. And I know what you're thinking when you think Jimmy Choo shoes. They're gonna be sexy, they're gonna be sparkly, and they're gonna be so fabulous. It is, but it's not what you think. So here's the thing, I have very big shoes. I'm plus sized and I have plus size feet. I'm like a US 11 or 12 and I'm like a size 43, so it's impossible for me to find like sexy ladies shoes from these European brands. But no one said that I couldn't shop in the men's section, and that's what I did as always. So these are my new Jimmy Choos. I do have a Jimmy Choo heel, which I haven't worn, but this I actually have worn already. Okay, so enough blabbering, let's get it open. See, these are the Cosmos with, you gotta see it, I've got one dust bag here, two dust bag here, and those are the shoes. Before I move on, if you guys like this sort of content and you want to see more hauls from me or reviews of items, luxury items, makeup items, make sure you subscribe and give me the thumbs up. These are called the Cosmos and they are in white crystal. I actually got this in size 42. Check that out. It's like, I don't think the video would do it justice, but in real life, it's basically like the shoe version of my Louis Vuitton crossbody bag. It's super beautiful. It's got that same strass looking crystals all over it. This, I think the design itself is like a unisex design. The women's size, I think, would probably stop at like a 40. This is a 42. Although it has laces here, it actually, you put your foot in more like a sock. You use the laces to just loosen up this part, but it feels like super comfortable. I did have to wear a couple of plasters at the back because I wore it for the first time today, but other than that, no complaints, man. And look at the profile of it. It's so kick-ass and it's so pretty, and you can never tell, right, that it's from the men's version, especially with the crystals all around it. So here are some details. You've got the JC right there, Jimmy Choo, and then the Jimmy Choo at the back as well. The crystals, the back of it looks like this. It's got a little design there. The crystals are all within sort of like the skeleton of the sneaker in front there, and here it is by the side. So it reflects against the light really beautifully, and especially in a sunny country like Singapore. When I was wearing this, my husband kept saying, wow, it's like so freakishly beautiful. So the cool thing about this is you can actually customize it. So if you like a particular type or particular color or gradients of crystals, you can actually custom order your very own Jimmy Choo sneakers. So we'll see if this is very comfortable. I don't know, I might get one more, I don't know. Maybe one is enough or more than enough. Oh, let me show you the bottom. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty because I wore it already. Yeah, it's very comfortable. It's got a nice cool touch of JC in there. In the inside, it's got Jimmy Choo right there, and this runs a little bit big, and also as you wear it, because it's like a sock, it will actually expand a little bit. So instead of getting the 43, I got a 42. Although it's a little bit tight by the side, I think it's going to expand very nicely. I wore it with ankle socks with this dress today and it worked pretty well. Even though it has crystals all around it, it's kind of blingy, but because, I don't know, because of the color and the design, it's still quite understated. It's not like super loud, like look at me. It's still understated. You will kind of notice it if you're really looking at my shoes specifically. So I really like this. It's white, so I hope I don't get it dirty very easily. So yeah, that's my pair of new Choos. Then I got a couple of accessories. This is in this little jewelry box, very nice. And let me open it. Ta-da! What do you think this is? make a guess and then pause this video and comment down below. What is this? This is a ear cuff, okay? It's very, very cute. I'm into ear cuffs at the moment for me to kind of just wear on my ear, and I thought this was really, really cute. It has JC all around it, and I think the white and the gold will contrast really nicely on my skin. And it feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna drop out or anything, but when I do wear this, I will have to take special precautions. My ear cuffs tend to just end up somewhere usually. So yeah, that's a ear cuff. That's a ear cuff, yes. This I'm very excited about. My pair of sunglasses. I haven't bought a luxe pair of sunglasses for a really long time because I've just lived off my Ray-Bans and I've been very happy with it. But I recently went on a holiday with a couple of friends, and they're all into Gentle Monster and all these cool glasses. So I felt like, okay, I want to kind of go. So I wasn't planning to get this, but when I saw it, I just had to. I love that the box is not like a boxy box, so I can still kind of squish it into my handbag, but it's still structured that it will not make the glasses collapse. So, ready? Ta-da! So pretty. And the thing with glasses is that you really need to try it out, right? Because it's really hard to tell whether it fits your face just by looking at it. But this is in like more of like a cat eye version, I guess, and then the side says Jimmy Choo all around. Sorry guys, I haven't recorded a video in a long time. So it says Jimmy Choo all around, and it's really, really sturdy. And the best part is it actually fits my face perfectly. Some glasses are either too small for my size and it cramps me up, or it makes my face look too big, but this is just perfect for me. So I really like how that looks, and it'll be nice, you know, maybe not when I go out with the kids because it'll probably get scratched, but when I go out with my friends and stuff, it's nice to just rock this out. So I really, really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. If you're still watching, do let me know what you think of the items I got. Are there items from Jimmy Choo that you are eyeing yourself? If you are, let me know in the comments down below. And please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!